In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to launch your first upgrade physically, what buttons we're going to click. Upgrade's a powerful new feature from SamCart. This is something that our beta tester, we had one beta tester that grew their revenue 2.4x by launching an upgrade. So this stuff is absolutely massive. We built it for ourselves. We needed it first for selling SamCart, and now it's baked inside of SamCart, so you can do the same thing. Let's get into the nitty gritty. So the first thing you'll need is at least two products. You need a main product, something someone is going to buy, and then you need a product to upgrade to. So I'll just call main product here is a monthly membership. The upgrade product, I will call this yearly membership. So what we're going to do is, now that these two products are created, I can go inside of my main product. So in this case, I'm going to the monthly membership product. I'm going to go to the offers tab, and I already have something here, but let me go ahead. I'm going to close this out and remove this. If I didn't have an upsell chosen, you would choose to add an upsell, and then you could go and click create new upsell. Okay. So I would say, all right, this is my yearly upgrade, upsell. Basically, an upgrade is a type of upsell. So you're going to create an upsell, and then you basically say this upsell is an upgrade, not an upsell. So I'm going to give it a name. I'll search for my product. I know it's just called yearly membership. There it is. And then the difference here is under additional settings. So I come to additional settings. You could put a description in here if you want, but the only thing you need to do is this toggle right here. Make this upsell an upgrade. What this means is when someone hits the upsell page, SamCart is going to know this is not just adding something else to their order. We don't want a monthly membership and an annual membership in the same order. We want to add a yearly and take away the monthly that they already bought. So that's this toggle right here makes that happen. I'm going to go ahead and click create upsell. And what's going to happen here is that SamCart's actually going to pull in some stuff dynamically for you. So if I come down here and click preview, SamCart's basic template is going to go to work for you. So we're pulling in that product's image. We're pulling in that product's description. You could edit both of those things by going to that product. And then this isn't a live order, so it shows the full price. In a real environment, SamCart's going to prorate that price. So version 1 of this is that we take care of everything for you. We prorate the price. You don't have to worry about doing math or anything. We take care of that for you guys. But just like that, this is done. The upgrade is done. So I'm going to click Save Changes, and then I'm going to go to the checkout page for this product. So I'll click Share and go to Express. Just copy the Express URL and paste that in a new tab. You guys can actually go. We'll link to this page below this video. You guys can go and place your own test order. Just use dummy credit card information. We'll put some information down below this video about exactly what to type in. But you can test this out without charging any money to your credit card and just see how this works. I'm buying the monthly membership. Let's just say I wanted to add in, one of these order bumps as a custom meal plan or something. I'll go ahead. Let me put in first and last name. So my order is ready to go. So what's going to happen is I'm going to buy the monthly membership, and I bought an order bump. And instead of being taken to an upsell that's just going to add something to my order, I'm being shown an upgrade. So you can see, this is what we showed before. Upgrade to annual pricing. It is prorated the price. So instead of $207 for the year, I've already spent $29. The order bump doesn't matter. The math doesn't matter in the proration. But we are prorating that price down by $29. So you've already spent $29. Upgrade, get annual. I'll go ahead and click on upgrade. And then here's where the magic happens. SamCart is going to remove that monthly membership, and in its place is the yearly upgrade plan. So your customers can see here, and in their receipts, they can say, look, this product was upgraded. You upgraded this product. You don't need this anymore. But the math all checks out. If you guys have shipping and taxes, all that stuff is there. If I go and look in an order receipt, you're going to see something very, very similar to this. But it is awesome. This feature is incredibly powerful. Go use this feature. To wrap up this video, here are 4 ways you can use this feature. Number 1, if you're selling a course, sell a bundle. Add more downloads, add another course, add more content. But go from selling a $100 course to a $300 bundle and use an upgrade to let people do exactly that, prorating the price. If you have a basic service, like I'm going to design your website, that's a service. Offer a premium service. Tack on more things. I'm going to do your logo design and an SEO audit and whatever. But move somebody from a basic package to a premium package as an upgrade. The example that we'll show here in a second, the case study we did, was a monthly membership to annual pricing. So if you sell any kind of membership, you absolutely 100% should be going from selling monthly to pushing people to annual. Upgrade to annual and save. You get more cash up front, you get longer stick rates, less churn, all good things. And then coaching people, same idea. Hey, you're going to join, you bought an hour of my time. Why not upgrade to full monthly, coaching client status or something like that? Go from basic to premium. We use this in SamCart. We use it to people who buy SamCart Launch. we upgrade them to SamCart Grow, or they buy Grow, we upgrade to SamCart Scale. All of those things are possible. Let's take a look at the math really quick. Here's one SamCart seller that used upgrades to great effect in the writing niche. They didn't want us to use too many real numbers, so here's some broad numbers just to give you a sense of what happened. They have a membership. It costs $15 a month. Let's just say they had 50 people buying that every single month. They added an upgrade in its place after people buy the monthly membership, an upgrade to annual. It wasn't even a discount, honestly. It was literally just like 12 months of the same kind of payment. And 12% of their customers took that upgrade. So now they have 44 customers paying $15 and 6 customers who gave them $180 up front. That 2.4x their sales. They went from making $750 in this example, $750 to almost $1,700 from this one product. And it's about 5x their profit margins. All of a sudden, so much more cash up front. You can go back, you can reinvest in ads, you can go get your next customers, and SamCart makes it seamless. We deliver the right products. Your customers get exactly what they need. They're not overcharged. There's no double subscriptions. Upgrades, super, super powerful feature. So you can get upgrades right now on SamCart Scale. If you guys don't have it, go into your account, upgrade. If you're even just getting a few orders a month, adding in an upgrade is going to pay for this extra cost of getting SamCart Scale and then some. And you're also going to unlock all kinds of other stuff, A/B testing and the affiliate center and cart abandonment campaign suite. There's all this other stuff that SamCart Scale gives you that helps move your bottom line. But I'm Scott Moran. This is how you launch your own upgrades. Get into SamCart, launch an upgrade today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next tutorial.